Good morning, student. Have a nice day. Today I am taking grammar lesson. Before starting my lesson, I am introduce myself. Myself, Vaishali Amol Pardeshi. I am from Gokle Road Municipal School, Dadar West. Our administrative officers, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre. Our nodal officer, Sharat Kurade. Our nodal HM, Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul, and our assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur. Okay, now again good morning. Before starting our lesson, we shall start our day with the thought. So today's thought of the day is, have you listened?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now our thought of the day is, one small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. Means what? This thought can be anything. It can be scent of flowers blooming, or lone, or remember to hold on it throughout the day. Let the positive thought be your own talisman, talisman to block negativity, or at least from letting you act negatively. Create your own sunshine with your positive thought and help brighten up any day. Change your thought and you can instantly change your life. Understand?
Yes.
Now, today is 8th March. So today is a special day, you know.
Yes,
Can
teacher.
you tell me what is today? What is today?
Today is Women's Day.
Very good. Today is a Women's Day.
Women's Day.
Anybody can tell me why we celebrate this Women's Day? You know that why we are celebrating this Women's Day? Okay. Now I will tell you. Today is International Women's Day. Not only Women's Day. Whole India. This Women's Day. So not only India. Whole world. This world is celebrated. Yes.
Teacher,
Any
can I
doubt? Yes.
Teacher, International Women's Day is observed to celebrate the social, economic, culture, and political achievements of women.
Very good. I am again tell you
Every
one thing
every
that
year,
this is
the day is
yes,
observed on March 8 with the purpose to support a platform that helps positive change for women.
very nice, very good. So I am again tell you International Women Day celebrated on 8 March every year has a rich history of human fighting, those who are fighting our nation or for women education. So any name you can tell that for we can say Savitribai Phule, you know Savitribai Phule.
Yes.
She opened first school in our India for women, for girl. Okay. So this day commemorates women achievement across all fields and raises awareness of struggle women continue to face until this day. That's why we celebrate Women's Day every year on 8th March. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
So now we shall start our lesson. Shall I start?
Yes.
Ah, so today we are going to learn grammar new lesson that name is articles. Okay, what is the name of our lesson?
Articles.
Articles. Okay. Before starting our lesson, before starting articles, I show one some sentence. Anybody can read that sentence?
Children go to school. Children are
Hey,
playing
wait,
with
wait,
the
wait, wait, wait,
to
wait,
school.
wait, wait, wait. One by one, you can read.
Children go to school.
Wait, only one girl. Okay, only one girl. Okay, start.
Children
Who
go
is
to
reading?
school. Miss,
What
can
is your
I?
name, beta? What is
Aditya.
your name? What?
Aditya.
Okay. Start.
Children go to school. Children are playing
Yes.
with dogs. I found flower in garden. We saw blue car.
Very nice. Children go to school. Second sentence. Children are
Children
playing
are
with
playing with dogs.
dog. Okay. I am reading now. I found flower in garden. And fourth one is we saw a blue car. You can understand the sentence meaning. Okay. You understand the sentence meaning? Children go to school. Children are playing with dog. I found flower in garden. We saw blue car. You understand this sentence?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Meaning you understand the meaning, no? So,
Yes.
but they don't exactly sound right, do they? This is because this sentence are missing article. Okay. What I tell you, understand? You can understand the meaning of this sentence, but they don't exactly sound right, do they? This is because this sentence are missing article. So there are three articles. You know that which are three articles?
A and the. And the.
Very nice. A and the. So there are two types of articles. One is indefinite article and second one is definite articles. So indefinite articles, there are two, a and an. And definite, there is one article, that is the. So these two definite articles are a and and. Which are the indefinite article?
A and
A and an. And which is the definite article?
the.
The. Very good. They are used. Now next slide. Okay. First we will see a and an, indefinite articles. Okay. So they are used before singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. These used before singular countable nouns. This means you would use a or an only if you want to refer one or something. Understand what I tell? I again repeat it. They are used before singular countable nouns. Which which articles? A and an. When we use before singular countable nouns, this means you would use a or an only if you want to refer to one or something. Understand?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Now we will see more example. Let's see more some example. Okay.
Yes.
So I already explained a comes before singular nouns that begins with consonant sound. So when we use the a before singular nouns that begins with consonant sound. You know consonant sound means
Yes,
A,
Miss.
B. Yes, tell.
B, C, D.
Very good. A to Z. That is sorry. That is a consonant sound. A is not consonant sound. B,
That
C,
was a
D.
vowel.
Very good. That is a vowel. Okay. So you understand A comes before singular noun that begins with consonant sound. Now see we see the example. Can you tell any example? Any example? Okay, I will give first example, then you will give. Okay. Next, for example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. See, R is consonant sound. Is the consonant sound? R is yes. So a rat, a unit, a xylophone. Understand? Next.
Teacher,
Next.
can tell
Yes, yes,
please.
yes. Yes. Tell.
A book,
Very good.
table, a table, a young man.
Very nice.
Miss,
Very
can I?
nice. Yes, yes, yes.
A pillow,
Hmm.
a cycle, a
Very good.
table, a chair, a bed.
Very, very nice. Now we will see. I will tell another more example. But when you use a, that means listen carefully what I tell you. A is used often with noun that begins with consonant sound. Understand? But listen, there is more example that means fan. But when we say fan, if there is only one fan, that time we say a fan. For one car, a car. For one boy, a boy. For one girl, a girl. Understand?
Yes.
Means what I tell you before this example, I tell you we use if you want to refer to one or something. Understand? So that means A is used begins with the consonant sound when there is only one fan, that is a fan. For one car, a car. For one boy, a boy. For one girl, a girl. So understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now next, we will see the use of A. A we see already, but sometimes some nouns and adjective that begins with letter that are vowels are spoken using a consonant sound. Some are vowels, but that time also we use A. That are the some example. See, U is a vowels. You know that U. But in this example, why we are using A? Because some nouns and adjective that begins with letter that are vowels are spoken using a consonant sound. That's why we use A. Unicorn, a unicorn. University, a university. European, a European city. For one rupees coin, a 1 rupees coin. Understand
Yes.
what I tell you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the use of an. An is used with vowels. Can you tell me? Anybody tell which are that vowels?
A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U.
Very, very clever students. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So we use that and when before these vowels. Understand? So
Yes.
you would use and, you would use an and begin with a, so you would say an ant. Understand what I tell you?
Yes. Yes, miss.
And is begin with a, that's why you use a is the vowel, that's why we will you would say an ant, eagle, an eagle. Why we use an? Because
There was a vowel.
before e is a vowel. So e begins, sorry, eagle begins with e. So you would say an eagle. Next, ice cream. An ice cream. So again here which is the vowel?
I.
I. So in the ice cream, I is a vowel. So you would say that an ice cream. Can you give more example?
An umbrella.
Very nice.
An elephant.
Very good.
An orange.
Uh,
Teacher, can I frame one sentence?
okay, okay.
I saw an accident of a car.
Very nice. Very nice. Now I will say next one. Okay. So some words that begins with yach. Some words that begins with yach. Sometimes before yach we will use a, and sometimes before yach we will use and. See how. I will give the more example. Then you can understand better. See. Home. When we trace yach, sound h. Home. Hug. Handle. History. These would all use before them a. A home. A hug. A handle.
Teacher, a horse.
History. Ha. A hug. But listen. Sometimes before yach we use an. How we will, I will tell you. Okay. In some words, when we are spoken aloud, that time yach remain silent. In these cases, you would use and. We will see more example. Okay. Listen. Honest man. Are. Hair. And see, yach is when we are speak aloud na, honest man, honest. Not when we are using, when we are speak loudly. We are not using that yach remains silent, honest. Speak aloud. Can you speak?
Yes, teacher. Honest.
Not honest, honest.
Honest.
Very good. Are,
Are.
air.
And.
Understand? So here is yach is silent. That's why we are using an honest man, an are, an heir to the throne. Understand? So when we are using a and when we are using an, understand?
Yes.
Can you repeat this? Who will repeat? Only one boy or one only? Oh, yes,
Teacher,
yes,
can I tell Ruchi?
yes, Ruchi. Yes, start.
An honest man.
Hmm.
An
First,
arm.
first you say honest man, and
Honest
honest
man.
man.
An
Okay,
honest.
start again.
Honest man. An honest man. Are.
Hmm.
And are. Teacher, what is
Hmm.
it?
Heir.
Yeah. An heir to the throne.
Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Next. Okay. So an comes before singular noun that begins with vowel sound or mute h. I already explained.
Yes.
Okay. And a comes before singular nouns that begins with consonant sound, and ant comes before singular noun that begins with vowel sound or mute h. I will ask this question, when we will use, when we are using the an and when we will use the a. So that time this definition you will tell. And comes before singular nouns that begins with vowel sound or mute H. Can you repeat it after me? An
and
comes before
comes before
singular nouns
singular noun
that begins
that begins
with
with
a vowel sound
a vowel sound
or mute H.
or mute H.
You understand a mute H means when that H remains silent, that
Teacher,
time we
like
use
an
an.
honest.
Understand na? H
Yes.
mute H means H remains silent. That time we use an. Understand? So more example is given here. An adult, an X-ray, an illness. Understand? An adult. Repeat after me.
An adult,
An X-ray,
an X-ray,
an illness.
an illness.
Erase. Understand? Huh. Next. Now, next we will study that there are, however, nouns that don't require the use of indefinite articles. These nouns are uncountable nouns. That time we are not using the indefinite articles. So these are called uncountable nouns. We will understand what I tell you.
Yes.
Listen what I tell you. Don't talk, please. There are, however, nouns that don't require the use of indefinite articles. These nouns are uncountable nouns. See, I am saying, tell you more example. Milk. Milk is uncountable, understand? So milk is a good for health. We can't count the milk and health, understand? So these are the uncountable nouns. Milk is good for health. So that time we are not using the indefinite article. There is sand in the bucket. So we can't say how much sand is there. So this is uncountable. So that time we are not using indefinite article. The chair is made up of wood. How much wood is used? We don't know. So the chair is made up of wood, not a wood or not an wood. Understand what I tell you? Are we use the are we use or an?
No.
No, because these are the uncountable nouns. Understand? Next, fourth
Teacher, like
example is given.
teacher,
Yes.
from rice we can make idli or dosa.
Hmm. You are, okay, you are telling the, one more example I am telling you, listen. But salt is necessary to make food tasty. So, how salt, what is the use of salt? Is necessary to make food tasty.
Miss,
When
can I
we,
tell example? Teacher, can I
okay,
tell one example? Watermelon is
one by
good.
one,
Watermelon is good.
one by, huh,
Watermelon is good for body.
nice.
Teacher, now I can tell.
Okay, okay.
Sugar is sweet and tasty things in the food.
Hmm. Very good. Now next. When I will ask the question, that time you will give the answer. First we will explain all these things. Okay?
Yeah.
Now listen. So next one is the, we already see a and an. That are the indefinite article. Now we will see the definite article. Which is the definite article?
The.
The. So the is used, sorry, the is only definite article. It is used to refer to the nouns that are, listen carefully on what I am saying. The is only definite article. It is used to refer to nouns that are specific. This means that are that this means that if both you and the person, listen, you and the person who is either reading or listening to your words know are referring, or if what you are describing is common knowledge, then you must use definite article. Understand what I tell you? If you are saying, let's us see more example, then you can understand better. Okay, listen. In first, there are two sentences are given. Listen. I read a book yesterday. Huh? And second example is, the book was very interesting. See, in first example, what is used? A. And in second example, what is used? The. So in this example, when in when the word book is mentioned in first sentence, we are referring to it for first time. For first time. And the only one thing. Understand what I tell you?
Yes.
So we know about that, then that is, it is a singular countable noun. That is one thing, and it is referring for first time, and only thing, that is only thing. So that's why we know that about it is, then that is, it is singular countable nouns, that's why we are using a. But in second sentence we are referring the same specific book. Understand, same specific book. In the first sentence, that is, that book first I read book yesterday, the book was very interesting, means that book we are using second time. Understand what I tell you? So book mentioned in the first sentence, which is why the definite article is used. And why we are, first time that book was, I read a book yesterday, and same book, how was that book? That the book was very
Interesting.
interesting. Understand why we use the and why we use a.
Yes.
Hmm. Now next, again more example is given. The example is given here. The shirt I will wear tomorrow is red. The shirt I will wear tomorrow is red. The milk in this cup is hot. Understand?
Yes.
When we use the, again more examples are I am giving, and when we are using the, that we will see now. Okay. Now here is one given. The articles a and the can be used before an adjective that comes before noun. See, a and the, all three articles used before an adjective. Not only a, or not only and, not only the. All three, all three articles we are using before an adjective that comes before noun. So we will see example, then you can understand better. See, our school has got a new captain. Here is, which is noun? Captain. See, look at here. Captain is a noun. Okay. Before captain, there is one word is new. That is adjective. So what I'll tell you, the article a and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. First noun, before that one adjective, and before that that article, that is a. Now we will see more example. You understand better. You understand the A. Now the. See that the also used before adjective. Before adjective. See here one more example. The new captain was elected last week. See here, here is new captain is there. Same new captain. But sentence is different. Listen carefully what I tell you. The new captain was elected last week. So captain is noun, new is adjective, and the is article. Understand what I tell you? Now third example.
Yes.
He is an intelligent boy. See, boy is noun, intelligent is adjective, and an is article. So understand what I tell you? This
Yes.
sentence, the articles a and the can be used before an adjective that comes before noun. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I will again read all three examples. Our school has got a new captain. Second example, the new captain was elected last week. And third example, he is an intelligent boy. All these three examples, in first example, noun is captain, second example, noun is captain, and third example, noun is boy. And first example, adjective is new, second example, adjective is new, and in third example, adjective is intelligent. But articles are different. In first example, we use a, in second example, we use the, and third example, we use and. Understand?
Yes, miss.
Very
Yes,
good.
teacher.
Next. Now, this before adjective we use the. Now next use. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. When we mention second time, that time only we use the. Listen, I will show the more example. See, we have a test tomorrow. Next, we want to do well in the test. See, I already explained one more example, but here again I explain. In first sentence, we use a first time that use mention in first time test. Okay, but in second time test mention second time. That's why we use the same word we are using first time, that time we use a, and same word we are using second time, that time we use the. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes or okay, very good. Next, we use the when naming a noun that refers to the entire group of its kind. When we are using entire group, for example, I am giving one example. Sorry, that example I am not here. Slide means how we can say uh, whole group. For example, whole group means there is a uh, group of women. Group of women. So we woman means all women. Understand?
So the group of women.
Now group of the woman. Understand? So next I will explain. We use the when there is only one such a thing. One such a thing. One such a thing means what? There is no other things in the world. Only one moon, only one sun. That time we use the. Understand what
Yes,
I
teacher.
tell you?
Yes, miss.
So we say the moon and the sun. That is only one such a thing in the world. So we say the moon and the sun.
Teacher, the
Next,
environment.
yeah,
The environment.
the environment. Next, now listen. We use the when naming a noun that refers to entire group of its kind. See, entire group. I already explained no, that example. The whale is a mammal. Understand? Whale is a mammal. Entire group, which is entire group? Whale. Understand? Next, we use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjective. When we are using the before ordinal numbers and before superlative adjective. So we will see the example. The second seat in that row is mine. Which is the ordinal number? Second. So before that
Second.
we use the. Understand?
Yes.
Or before ordinal number we use the. Next, you are the best. Best is a superlative degree. That's why we are using the. Understand? Before ordinal number and before superlative degree we use the. Next, when we are using the before the name of landmark. I live behind the fire station. Which is the landmark? Fire station. Understand? So when we are using the, na, that we will see. So before the name of landmark, we are using the. Before the names of monuments, the Taj Mahal is epitome of love. Taj Mahal is a monument. Before that, we use the. Before the name of any ocean, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Understand? Before the name of any ocean, we use the. Next, the name of natural wonders. When we are using the natural wonders, na, that time we use before the. So here is a, which is the natural wonders? Niagara. The Niagara Falls are in North America. Next, before the name of hotels and restaurant, we use the Lands End Hotel is the name of the hotel, Lands End Hotel. So before that we use the. The Lands End Hotel is near the shore. Next, before the names of newspaper, magazine and books, we use the. The Times of India is popular English newspaper. Understand? Before the new name of the newspaper we use the Bible book, the Holy Book. Understand?
Yes.
Next. And when we are not using the,
Yes, your
listen
voice is not.
carefully. Do not use the with the following proper noun. Names of continent, street, and most countries. Name of lakes and mountains. Name of days, months, and festival. Don't use the. Next. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Understand?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Okay. Now next. You understand now all these things?
Yes.
Very good. So I will check your knowledge, if you are understand or not. One by one you will say, which article we are using. She has come without dash dash umbrella.
An
And
umbrella.
Very nice, very good. Dash dash Ganga is dash dash scare river.
Ganga is the scared
The-
river.
The Ganga is the river.
And
Is a
and the.
first we use the. Very nice.
Teacher,
The because the
Ganga is
Ganga is the name
river.
of the Ganga is the name of the
River.
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 Okay. So we use the, and in second time we use a scare. I will explain next time. I will explain all this example now afterwards. First you give the answer.
Yes.
Which is dash longest river in India?
The
The.
Very good. Which is the longest river in India? Next. She returned after dash R.
and
And R.
R.
Because H remain silent. Next. Dash sun shining brightly.
The
Very good. Allahabad is dash holy city.
Is the.
Huh?
The.
Allahabad is dash holy city.
The.
Oh. Sanskrit is dash difficult language.
The
Sanskrit is dash difficult language. English is dash easy language.
The.
Huh? No. English is
and teacher and
an. Now I am explaining. Okay. He is come without dash an umbrella. Why you are using umbrella? Because you is
because U is the vowels.
very good. Second example, the. Because here Ganga is the name of the river, is dash river. Yes is the consonant sound that we are using. Understand?
Yes.
Which is the largest river in India? So here is the means largest river only one, no? Not more. Largest river only one. Which is the largest river in India? So that's why only one thing. Which is the longest, not largest. Which is the longest? So only one river, the longest river in India. So that's why we are using the. Understand? She returned after an hour.
Yes.
H remain silent. That's why we are using. That's why we are using and. So understand?
Yes.
Now you note down your homework. First, you note down your homework. Don't make dash noise, please, and you write the option. After that, you write the answer. Okay. Second example, write down your homework, please. Virtue is its own reward. Mount Everest is dash highest peak dash in Himalaya. I want dash cup of dash coffee. Note down. So you better, I think so that you better you understand the lesson better.
Yes.
Very good. Any doubt?
No, teacher.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.